Hello everybody and welcome back to another one of my videos. Today I'm going to be making for you a pear and banana juice. I hope you're all going to enjoy this one. I'm going to show you the ingredients what we're going to be using for today. Alright everybody, these are ingredients what we're going to be using today. I've got some grapes, I've got a bit of ginger, got bananas, and I've got some oats, got some apple juice, lemon, some demerara sugar. I've got the pears which I've peeled and I've put them in some lime juice to stop them from going brown. So those are our ingredients what we're going to be using for today. So I'll be back with you in a minute. Right everybody, so I've got a pot which I'm going to put on the heat. So you want a medium eye to this. And into that I'm going to put my demerara sugar. I'm going to put about half a cup of water in there. You don't want the stems on your pears, so I've got my pears. You can half these or quarter them or whatever you want to do with them, but you want to cook these till they're soft. As you know, when you get pears, these came off my tree yesterday. As you can see, they're firm but they're still quite hard. So you just want to start putting your pears in there. You want to cook these until they're really soft. Which is going to take about 15-20 minutes or so. So I'll do this and then I'll come back to you. So I've got my lemon. I'm just going to try and peel 2 strips of the skin. I've already washed this. So just going to leave this on the fire. I'll skin them down the bottom. So just going to cover that now and just leave it to simmer away till when they get extra soft. So once they've done that, I'll be back with you. Right everybody, so we've had these pears simmering away. They're nearly at the stage where we want them, so we're going to find our 2 bits of lemon and take those out. There's another one in here somewhere. I found it. Right, so that's our pears. So you see that they're not soft, so they're going to be liquidized. So I'm going to just turn off the flame. Right everybody, so I've got our pears. They just cool down a bit. I'm going to put this into our liquidizer. So we're going to be doing this into maybe 2 or 3 batches. It's all going to be liquidized and strained. I'm going to put some apple juice into that. And I'm going to put some of my grapes into that as well. just want this to be at the liquidizer level. So I'm going to blend this one out, and I'll be back with you in a minute. Right everybody, so we've blended this out. On my blender I've done it twice so that it's properly blended out. And we're just going to put this through the strainer. That just gets out the extra bits what you don't want. So we've done that. Put a banana into this one. I'm just going to cut in chunks. So put our bananas into that. And with the bananas we're going to put the oats. I'm going to put some of our apple juice. I'm going to blend this one out. So meanwhile I'm straining that through, this is going to be on the blender. So you can see it's nice, like a fixed texture. So you just want to be doing this until everything's going through. So I'll be back with you in a minute. Right, so we've got our second batch. We're going to do the same thing. This one might take a bit longer because you've got your oats in there. But you want that strained through as well. So this is the longest part of this process, apart from stewing your pears. I'm saying, if you like this video, please remember to like, share and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell another friend. If you want to leave a comment, please leave a comment in the comment section. We will get back to you on them, even if it's just to leave a heart. But if you've got a recipe or something what you want to see us try, just let me know in the comment section. So we're going to be putting in now our bit of ginger. Then we'll be putting in some more of our grapes. You might be asking why have I put the oats in. If you get some pears, you get like a gritty sort of taste to the pears, and that just takes it away a bit from it. So that's the only reason why that's in there. Going to put some more of our pears in. So I'm going to do this and I'll be back with you. Everybody, this is our last batch going in now. Just going to strain this through as well. So this is what takes the longest on this juice, as I was saying. And this one, if you don't want to use all of it at once, you can put some in a bottle and put it in the freezer. So I'm going to do this, and then once I've done this, then I'll come back to you. Right everybody, so we've got everything strained through and into our jug. I've poured out some already. I'm going to just pour out a glass so you can see what it looks like in a glass. Like I said, you can freeze this as well. So that's what it looks like in a glass, which is our pear and banana juice drink. So I hope you all enjoy this one. Please remember to like, share and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell another friend. If you want to leave a comment in the comment section. We will get back to you on it. And if you've got any suggestions for us to do, please just drop us a line and we will try and see if we can get the ingredients to do it. So thank you for watching this one, and see you all on the next one. Thank you.